Hi, this is Deanna Andrew with my course reflection for advanced professional writing. The learning objectives in this class are about good writing. We've learned here that good writing accomplishes communication goals while adhering to social norms. Through practice, I've gained the confidence, skills, and tools necessary in competent communications. Peer reviewing and discussion of the projects helped me gain insights into my own work as well as the work of others. It's helped me articulate through an understanding of theories and how to apply them to solve communication problems. And now I have a lens through which to evaluate communication problems, an understanding of how to practically apply, test, and research theories in a professional environment. The assignment helped me through modeling. The text and other materials can be useful in my present and future career. Peer review helps me gain personal insights into areas that need more attention as well. Personal benefits are a desire to learn more about professional research, confidence in my ability, and a better understanding of my own shortcomings, and plus an inspiration for future endeavors. Thank you.